Hello everyone, this is me Sadia here and I'm back with the second week of July reads. This reading is going to be for the sign of Scorpio. So let's see what is coming up for you guys for this week time. Starting from the 8th through the 14th of July 2021. I will be taking cards, oracle cards, charms in this reading. So stay tuned and while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a channel read. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal leads, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Scorpions, let's find out what is coming ahead for you for this week time. Let's dive into the read and let's find out what can you expect coming up for you for the second week time, which has already started today. Let's see. Wow. Ace of Swords, fell off the deck earlier when I was shuffling the cards as well. So it's coming again. I do see you having a lot of clarity around your life now. It seems like, the divine has been guiding you towards something. Maybe earlier you were not ready to accept it, embrace it, but now you are. It seems like, it's going to be something related to your love life for majority of you because you were not ready to accept it. It seems like maybe it's a relationship, maybe it's a person that you have been maybe guided towards, but you were not taking that guidance at all. But I feel like as you start of the week, you are letting the signs soak in, and now you are just letting the universe guide you towards the right path forward with your specific someone. I feel like it's you might have been having a lot of doubts around this person, this connection, if it will work, if it will ever be stable, if it will ever be how you always wanted your love life to be. um, Something happened which has brought you the clarity, which was help from the divine, not from the person. It didn't come from a person that you're dealing with. It came from a situation. It came from a guidance coming from the divine, be that through dreams, be that through something that triggered that change in you. But yes, I do see you now very clear around what is it that you want with your person, what is it that you desire with them. So a lot of clarity is what you are proceeding with in the next week time, in the coming in this week time. It seems like you are happy for having that realization, having that awareness around it. It can be something related to other areas of your life as well, but I feel like it's going to be a love life situation. Why? Because of these things here. It's something related to the person that you love, something related to the person that you are interested in, something related to a person in your love life. So let's take more cards here. Wow. Hierophant. It seems like you are seeing a person from a different perspective now. You understand the potential of the connection. You understand what this connection is. You understand what you were missing earlier, and you really want to take this connection to the next level now with this person. um, it seems like you have been unavailable to pick up the science because you were not aligned with the source, with the divine. Somehow, as you did so, as you connected yourself to the god, to the angels, to the heavens, to the divine, you started getting the clarity, and now you and your person are on the same page. You both know where this connection is heading, whether you say it or you don't. But yes, there is a lot of clarity in this connection. Yes, you are with them. Yes, they are with you. There's a lot of clarity between the two of you, that where it is heading and where you want it to go. You both are so sure about it. There's no confusion, no doubt. There's no you holding yourself back from putting into it, they holding themselves back from putting it into this connection. It seems like the effort, the love, the passion, the excitement is mutual for the two of you in this situation. Wow. Emperor. Beautiful energies, beautiful energies. It seems like, the Scorpions has finally embraced their true feelings that they had for this person. And it seems like, you are feeling committed to this person to the point where you feel like, you are already married. You want to see this person, you want to talk to this person, you want to have some time spent with this person. There's a lot of, attachment is what I'm picking up coming from your end now. Again, what triggered this is something unknown. It's not clear. It's more like a divine help coming out of nowhere. It just came out as anything. Like, your person would be very surprised to see the positive change coming from your end, because they never expected you to change like this, even though they might have been praying, affirming, and all those things. But this change in you is so sudden that they will be surprised. But again, it was divinely timed, so that's what it is. Let's see more cards here. Wow, Queen of Wands, the Chariot, Page of Cups. I see you wanting things to move forward now. It seems like, you are now ready to take it to the next level with your person. You want things to speed up. You want to meet this person. You want to talk to this person. You want to spend time with this person. You would feel like, expressing your feelings, emotions to this person more than ever that you ever did. Even if you have known this person for ages, you might have never done that before. And this is the first time that you are opening your, about your true feelings to this person. And it is going to be so amazingly beautiful for you in this connection with this person. Let's see, underneath the deck, we do have the Seven of Swords card. It seems like, now you are ready and prepared to have the kind of life that you always wanted to live in your love life. It seems like, you have been single for quite some time, as in you were not committing to this person. You were like, you were together, but still you were not committing to this person. Now I do see you kind of, open to the commitment part of it, open to the expressing part of it, open to the taking it to the next part of it. So you are mentally, physically, emotionally ready and prepared to go and take that step ahead. It is more like taking a leap of faith and going for it, because you were never ready for these kind of stuff in your life. I feel like, now this week is going to be the game changer for you guys, and you are ready to embrace the passion, excitement, the love, the heat, the power that you feel when, being with this person is so amazing for you. So that's what I'm picking up. Beautiful, loving, lovey-dovey energy coming up for you for this week time. Let's see the oracle cards now. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the read for you guys. Wow, Scorpions, you're feeling amazing this this week time. It is gonna strengthen you in one way or the other. It's gonna boost your positivity. You will be more productive as well. So yeah, let's see. Step back. It is important right now to take a step back and spend time alone. Give your all time to yourself. It seems like, this has been your situation in the past, because I don't see you stepping back here. I don't see you going away from the situation. Um, Neither I see that energy coming from your person's end. Now, for who could that be? For who that message could be for? Um, First, this message came for the sign of Pisces. Maybe for some of you, you are dealing with the Pisces as well. And if that's the case, maybe they are taking their step back from you, if you are dealing with the Pisces only, because it seems like, I don't see you taking a step back here. Let me take one card from the middle of the deck for this card here. Let's see what it has to add. Step back, clarify for this, please. Three of Wands. Okay. Wow. Okay. Now what I feel is, you're gonna feel like, your person has stepped back and you want things more madly as compared to them. It's not like, they have taken a step back. It's more like you are on their, it's more of that energy, with the Three of Wands that came up. It seems like, now you are more on the waiting side for them than they are. So it's more like you are more available to them as compared to them. So that's what I'm picking up, which is again beautiful, because I don't see that there is any negative energy coming in for the two of you in this week time. So beautiful. Your person might be like, lavishing themselves with your excessive attention as well. Wow. Wise one, grow within your current situation. I feel like, you have grown into this situation with this person. I feel like, your love, your passion, your the way you deal with relationship, things have changed. You have evolved. Your way of dealing with this connection has evolved as well. So it is. It seems like your person's affirmations, prayers have been answered now. It's more of the things that they usually used to think about you. Now they're getting with you. Like they always wanted you to be committed, and there you go. There you go. You are giving them all that they wanted ever. So it's more of that energy. You are more available to them. You are theirs, and they are loving that. So let's see these cards because they came out. Be blessed. Prayers and affirmations, like I said, I feel like it has been helping you a lot. If then even if the energies are reversed for some of you, maybe you have been using a lot of prayers and affirmations to get what you wanted, and now you're finally getting it. Angels will guide you. Ask for help. If you need any help, you can always seek guidance from the heavens. You will be guided through. Fire signs, for some of you could be dealing with the fire sign as well. Cancer, Leo could be the signs as well for some of you. It's time to receive your reward. Wow. Act as if you already got it all, which is also going to help you a lot. Happy thoughts. Try to stay positive, happy as you are. I feel like I don't need to say that. You are already feeling that vibe. You will soon meet the one. For some of you might be planning to see this person as well. Talk to nature. Talking to nature is going to help you a lot. Again, the same messages that came up for the sign of Pisces. Make them come back. No more chasing. For majority of you, maybe you are dealing with the Pisces. Prioritize and bring balance in your life, and don't let clouds get in the way. Wow, the same message that showed up for the sign of Pisces. For majority of you, maybe you would be dealing with fishies. But yeah, let's take more cards. Let's see what else do we have. A time for healing. Wow. I feel like for majority of you, you have healed, and that's exactly where this change is coming from. But yes, for some of you, maybe you are still one step back from this situation. So maybe in that situation you need to heal. But I feel like if and when the time is right, you will also have that sudden change in you around the situation, and it's more like it's gonna come in divine time. So just let it be and go with the flow. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Coming up for no, okay, hold on. We are yet to take the charms. I was about to forget it. Let's see the charms now. Let's see what the charms has to add to the list for Scorpions. So we do have a Y. It can be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with. A lot of communication will be happening between you and your specific someone. The past is no longer gonna be the controlling situation, the controlling thing here in this connection. The past is done and over. You will be communicating a lot with your person, and you might be seeing a lot of pictures, or maybe you might be having a video call or stuff like that as well. You will be having a lot of compassionate energy towards your person. You will be feeling peaceful, happy, and thankful for the big changes that you are experiencing with your person. Give a girl the right shoes, and she can conquer the world. Now I feel like for majority of you, maybe it's a manifestation that is coming to fruition for some of you. Maybe you manifested this situation, or your person manifested this situation with you, and they are getting finally the reward of what they have been putting their effort into. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for Scorpions for this week time. If the reading resonated with you, to like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye.